So I'll be showing you how to preserve your night mode settings on your iPhone camera. So the first thing you need to do is go to your camera and choose your night mode setting. So the night mode icon is this icon here. Now obviously mine is in night mode because it's pitch black. Night mode automatically comes on when you're in pitch darkness or when you're in a very dark environment and you're trying to use the camera. So here, if you tap on that option, you can turn off night mode. Then you can turn on night mode. By default, night mode is automatic. Okay. So when you tap on this little arrow, then you should see another night mode icon here. And with this icon, you can actually change the number of seconds for which night mode photos are taken. Okay. So you can choose a setting, either 5 seconds. You can choose a maximum of 30 seconds. You can choose whatever you want. You can even choose to turn off night mode, just like you did here at the top. You can choose to turn off night mode. Now, when you're in different lighting conditions, this setting is automatic and it's going to keep changing. So to save or preserve the setting you have made right now, for instance, night mode off, then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to camera. So just find camera, tap on that, and then go to preserve settings, and then look for night mode and enable that. So once you do that, it's going to preserve the setting you currently have for night mode, which is, for now, for us, it's night mode off. You can choose to preserve the setting at 5 seconds, or if you tap on this arrow and go here, you can choose to preserve it at the maximum or whatever night mode setting you have. And that's basically how to preserve your iPhone camera's night mode settings on the iPhone. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions will work on other iPhones. Thanks for watching and good luck.